Welcome back to Halftime Report on CNBC-TV18. Like I mentioned before as well, right? The Nifty is flip-flopping between the red and the green. Again, it's moved the green 25,730.31. Around that is what the Nifty is trading at. Bank Nifty, though, is comfortably holding on to gains of 0.5%, more than 300 points up in the trading session right now. But what are we watching out for in the world of F&O? Let's go across to Mangalam, who is at the F&O desk to give us all those details. Mangalam, over to you.
Well, the Nifty is consolidating around that 25,750 mark. The reason why I say that is because, despite the Nifty Bank and the mid-cap index doing well, it's the IT index which is putting pressure on that. And every time the Nifty moves towards 25,750 and thereabout, we see the India VIX move higher. But now that the Nifty is cooled off from the highs as well, as has the India VIX. This morning, the India VIX was up around 5%, 5.5%. But now, once again, if the Nifty is in the green, the India VIX is at 4%. The Nifty, minute it moves into the red, we see the India VIX move around 3.5% as well. So, the Nifty move is fairly, congruent to the way the India VIX is moving. So to that extent, the range now is extremely crucial. 25,643, which is today's low, and 25,773 is the broad range the street is working with, at least for direction after the market has continued to consolidate. And that's where the option writers are fairly active as well. 25,700 put, I've seen a fair amount of writing, premium of almost 62 rupees, telling you that maybe there is support around 25,650, which again is today's low. But on the way up, there is some supply coming in. 25,750 call and the 25,800 call. Both of them come up for you on the screen. The 25,750 call has seen a premium erosion and has a premium of almost 3540 odd rupees. And the 25,800 call has a premium of 50 rupees as well, telling you around 25,800 to 25,850, there would be some supply coming in. So the broad range you're looking at, 25,650 on the Nifty on the way down and 25,850 on the way up. The put call ratio, the Nifty bounced back from, oversold levels on the put call ratio as well at 0.65. Now that has moved to a more respectable 0.74, still not out of the woods, telling you that we have some room on the upside all the way up to 25,850. But a lot of individual stocks, they are moving around. A lot of short covering on Godrej Consumer, Shriram Finance is the top Nifty gainer, Bank of Baroda as well. And some shorts added on names like Hitachi. So watch out for that one. Hitachi is down about 2.5% in an otherwise strong market for the broader markets. Has seen some short positions being initiated. So keep an eye out on that one.
Okay, Mangalam, thank you so much for that. Surely we'll be keeping an eye out on that. Hitachi Energy is expected to report their numbers as well. So let's watch out for that as well. But on that note, we're going to actually sip into a very short break. Up next, we'll connect with the management of Pine Labs as it opens for IPO on 7th of November.